Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, May the 4th, May the 5th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday. And Sunday, this Sunday is the Liberation Day of the Netherlands. Yes. We have here three puzzles solved. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, it's time for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8488. 8488. And before I start, I always count with printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Well, I don't think it's a 4 stars, maybe it's a 0 stars or a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 0 stars, faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. So we will see if this is 0, 1 star or a 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, no triple boxes here. I see. That's the next question. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? Here, quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. How about here? The 1 is given, so the 2, 3, and the 4 are left. Cannot fill this yet. All right. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. All right. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down, the L shape upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box, oh wait. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I think this box should be, 2 missing numbers in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. I've marked this box with 1 or 2. We have a 1 here, so this can be a 1 anymore. This box should be 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 4 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and the 4. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. Oh, wait. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And then these 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Now we need to think. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be down. This box can be 3. That box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be down. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there in this W area shape. That means that that box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not a solution to place the 5 here. The only place left for the 5 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, and now, let me think. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and I need a 4 here. I need to wait. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left on the 2 in this area should be here, is connected with that box, should be so a 2. Alright, and now, well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Okay. This box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I need to think here. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Here, 3 and a 5 is connected with that box 3 and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and a 4. Yeah, 3 and a 5. That means that those 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 here, so those 2 boxes can be 5. So the only place left for 5 in this L-shaped area should be also to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Let me see. I need a 4 here. Here can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need to think. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 3, 5, and 4. Oh, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box can be 5. That box should be a 5, yeah. This box can be 5, that box can be 5. This box should be a 5 in this area. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. 0 stars. Can it be a 4, 3, 2, or 1? I'm faster than 30 minutes. So definitely is 0 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. And I will make one of the puzzles on Friday with the speed test. Made an error. So I need to make a correction. So thank you for watching. And yeah, we'll meet again in the evening. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Liberation Day on Sunday. Yes.